Now we are going to learn about the lubricating mechanisms. What are lubricating things or structures? One is synovial sheath, another is synovial bursae. Synovial bursae, it is a one second, I will check graph paper. It is a closed sac formed by the areolar tissue. It is an areolar tissue, okay, filled with some slippery fluid. This is called synovial bursae. Now, it may present between the tendon and bone or muscle or another tendon. Okay. Now, synovial sheath. Synovial sheath means, as you have seen in this diagram, this is the fibrous band and this line is the tendon. It helps, the synovial sheath helps in preventing the rubbing between the tendon and the fibrous band. It covers, it encircles, it rolls on the tendon. Here you can see, by leaving this space, it rolled around the tendon. Through this space, some arteries will enter, and this space is called mesentendon. Okay. Now, classification of the muscle based on the vascular pedicels. Vascular pedicels means I can say some artery-like structures. Type 1 HSC possesses one vascular pedicel. Type 2 possesses one dominant vascular pedicel and several minor vascular pedicels. Type 3 possesses two dominant vascular pedicels. Type 4 possesses multiple small vascular pedicels. Type 5 one dominant vascular pedicel and multiple secondary segmental pedicels. Okay. Now supply to a muscle is supplied. Now supply is by neurovascular bundle. Neurovascular hila. The nerve enters through into the muscle by a neurovascular hila. Location is constant points at which the cardiac stimulation is high. Now motor name is a name, but it is made up of both sensory and motor nerve fibers. Motor nerve fibers are about 60% and sensory nerve fibers are about 40%. So among these motor fibers, large myelinated gamma alpha and small myelinated gamma are there. Sensory fibers are 40% and they are maybe myelinated fibers or non-myelinated fibers. If large and myelinated, then supply extrafusal muscle fibers. If small and myelinated and gamma, then supply intrafusal muscles. So here you can see proprioceptive sensation, position, myelinated, sensory myelinated, then position proprioceptive. And sensory non-myelinated, then exteroreceptor sensation, there is a touch, temperature, pain. Okay. Motor point. Okay. Wait 1 second. Motor point. Point where the nerve enters into the muscle. That point is called motor point. Corresponds to the neurovascular hila. Because from neurovascular hila, all the blood vessels and the nerves enter into the muscle. Motor unit. Motor neuron plus muscle fibers that it supplies all together constitute the motor unit. Muscles that have precise and accurate action have smaller motor units. It means ratio of 1:10 means one muscle have 10 neurons. Association. Muscles that have cross body movement have large motor units. Ratio 1:500. For every one muscle, 500 neurons can be operated. Neuromuscular junction between the terminal end of the axon and the circular mark. Synaptic cleft means neuromuscular cleft, I can say, because if this is the plasma membrane and this is the I can say terminal node of a neuron, then this gap is called synaptic cleft. Okay. Now, motor end plate. Motor end plate means nothing but this plasma membrane. This plasma membrane is called motor end plate, which is not covered by the squamous sheath. The terminal end of the axon not covered by the squamous sheath. This is the okay. Soul plate means below the sarcoplasm have many nuclei and mitochondria. This is called soul plate. And dash prevents the damage of the tendon during the muscle contraction from excessive stresses putting on it. It's Golgi tendon apparatus or Golgi tendon organs. And regenerative capacity. It is very important to know that regenerative capacity is maximum for smooth muscle and minimum for cardiac muscle. Okay, you can see this is having maximum, this is having minimum, and it is having intermediate. This is the regenerative capacity. Okay, now that's it for now, and we will meet in the cardiovascular system again. Okay, bye sir.